What's double
Yeah,
shooting?
mercy duty. Let's go, boys.
2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Mercy? Oh, I'm not gonna mercy.
You want to jump on Kragie or damage resume?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's one back.
Shield man.
Let me see you, let me see you, let me see you, let me see you, let me see you. Let me see you.
Come on, shield is down.
I can res that, I can res that. So, everyone's dying here. Wait, I can't see the orb. I see the orb.
Okay, let's go. Oh.
Holy shit, dude. You are. Come on, boys.
No.
Send low. Nice.
I see you, Widow. You need to stand in the edge, boy.
Hey, he probably has growth.
Bro, WJS, what up, dude? Can you, we can Valk damage bust the blade, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, got you.
Oh, I just got tagged, but she's, yeah. What a mercy main, dude. You wanna, whenever you pull out blade, I'll Valk.
It's not coming home, dude.
Oh no, dude. Don't even get me started on that.
It's not coming home.
We lost to fucking Croatia, what a joke.
What a joke, dude. I'm going in the ridge for Valk now, damage bust me.
No, I got caught in the ground. This is not funny. Oh, we're fucked, dude.
Stay behind the shield.
Yo, I pressed E, what the fuck? Mercy's no! You lost the Mercy. Nah, I got my game.
Dude, you lost the 1v1 to a Mercy, dude.
Q skip, leave.
What up, Chop? Hey, Chop! You gonna subscribe, my guy? There are new pug emotes, dude. What up, Amanda? What up?
I was not on keyboard.
Reinhardt, swing that hammer, don't forget. Oh, Mercy's going for the res properly. She disappeared. Oh my god, she did.
You know what it is. You know what it is. Chop, we are here.
Reinhardt, get back. Reinhardt, get back.
Widow's still in the spawn. Widow's in the spawn.
So is Hanzo.
Excuse me, what do you call me?
Hanzo.
Okay, damage boost me.
Yeah, I'm low though. I have a dick sword on me.
Oh my god, dude, he actually popped off on me, dude. He just popped off, dude. He just clicked an ability, he just left clicked me, dude. Absolutely insane, dude. High skill tier. Oh, he's so good, dude.
Oh my god, we gonna fucking die. Let's shit.
Oh, there's another one in the back that just clicked my head.
Dude, he must be good. Alright, Gangu, I'm coming for a res.
What the fuck is this shit music, dude? Dude, all the music that isn't copyrighted is complete garbage, dude. It's only good music that's copyrighted, dude. They just take a test, right? If the music is garbage, they can't put copyright. Does he have grab?
Probably.
Potentially. Huge block, dude. You got a massive dick.
That was the Symmetra shield.
Oh. No, it wasn't. Like he walked past it.
Yeah, she did walk past. Alright, stand behind someone. Be a good boy.
Well, for music, dude, we need
play the
music,
shield,
my
play the
dog.
run shield. It's big,
Better than the montage music? Okay, that's true. That was close.
Oh, no, that's my PayPal.
No.
No, I didn't. I'll build you. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, wait, me fan, this one.
No.
Go. That was fun.
Keep damage boosting.
What do you think I'm doing? Yes, dude. Mercy right click saves the day. I've got a healer. I'm sorry.
Nice.
Dude, oh, you see how good I was at.
Tracer's fine, I think.
Whoa there. Whoa, hands on.
She's slow.
Just kill her forehead. Reinhardt, swing, don't be scared. Show me how big your dick is. Yo, I can rest that.
What was that?
Not even close, baby.
Nice.
Reinhardt, go. Right, nice one. You're a crazy man. Whoa, what's up?
Disappointed yesterday though.
What happened? Oh yeah.
You know, it wasn't coming home, dude.
Oh man, don't tell me that. I finished work at 7, right after kickoff, and came home, catch the second half. It went all downhill from there.
Maybe you were the problem, dude. Bible thump.
Maybe, dude. I'm always the problem.
No, you're not.
That's what my parents say anyway.
Oh, dude, it feels bad, man.
Wait, if I damage boost Symmetra, does her orbs get damage boost too?
Yeah.
I feel like that'd be a bit. No way.
Of course it does.
Enjoy the lack of healing. No, her E orbs.
Yeah.
I'm pulling back, big boys. Reinhardt. Keep the harmony on the Ryan. He's taking too much of the beat. Chase the back line. Yo, you guys have to like fall down. I got it.
Go even deeper.
I actually can't see you guys. Alright, I'm back.
It's okay.
We
Big
Gucci, we
break,
Gucci.
I'm not bad. I'm Gucci.
Where's the sin at? What? Where's the sin at, chat?
I think Tracy's in our back line somewhere. Yeah, I can hear her blinking around. She's gonna touch point. She's in our very back line.
Very back one.
Very back, like more back line than ever. Like,
I'm gonna pop out.
back line.
I can damage with me.
We killed our boy. No, I can't wait.
Okay, he can't damage with me.
No, I was helping our Zen. Big kills.
You can rest her, right? Right.
I probably can, but our Ryan's getting tickled.
Okay, it's fine. He's getting tickled to death, dude.
Go, Ryan. Get a big pin.
Let's go. Oh fuck.
Oh, this is not good. Wait, hold up. I'm gonna hide. Watch this res.
You
600 IQ, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it.
I got trans. That's good, right? Right, champ?
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, Kragie. Oh, big brain.
It didn't stop though. But
Yo,
I'm popping off, dude. I'm popping off.
I can't heal you.
Give me the juice up, dude. Juice me up.
Big juice. Nice
Juice me up. Juice me up, dude. Juice me up. Going in.
Juicing you up, dude.
TP me up.
Fuck's now back line. Alright, you're gonna have to juice yourself up for now.
Oh shit. Give me the TP. Shit.
Oh, no, the 1 second I leave you and you fucking die. What are you, dude?
Oh, dude, that's because I thought you were with me, dude.
No.
Oh no.
Dude, are you plat season 2? It's a,
Nah.
are you plat season 2?
I wish, dude.
Okay.
Oh shit, this guy's got. Go, Gucci gang. Oh shit, he died. What the fuck?
Worth a try.
Look at that, dude. Right, perfect damage boost. This guy knows what he's doing.
I saved y'all. Or maybe I killed y'all.
She's looking fancy. She's looking fancy like that.
Big hook, dude.
What up, Mew?
Big game.
Let's go.
Alright, Ryan, move up. We're one up.
Oh, she had prime stuff.
Monkey off.
Shit.
Widow, when you're low, just grapple towards us, yeah?
Huge!
Big dude, what the fuck? Six man, go. Oh shit, Scott. Are we going aggressive?
Oh, white.
I know, Chuck. I never really risked my head on my chair.
I almost went for it, dude. Easy for it,
Easy for it. Let's go back. Oh, they're going.
I'm behind you, dude.
Oh, fuck. Oh shit. Oh wait, there's a Winston being angry.
Beat him up.
Load hog. Oh,
Oh, you deep.
Roadhog, you're gonna fucking die, mate. And I'm gonna record it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I killed so. I popped off, dude.
Did you kill everyone?
I popped off.
Ujimo kill Kragie!
Yeah, go for me, dude.
Boys, I'm 7% off Valve. We have no other ults. And Kragie's gonna get a stalled death.
You can rest here. You can rest. You can rest. That's huge, dude.
Oh, I've raised. What the fuck? I'm sick. Alright, let's go in, boys. Put your dicks out your pants and let's go.
Dude, I can't do that on stream.
No, you can, trust me. It's fine. New 10%.
I'll body block. I'll body block for you.
I can't heal you, Reinhardt. I'm literally focusing kills on Reinhardt and he
This will be the game changer.
ID's popping off.
What's new?
Zen in our back line. If you don't kill him, oh my god, he's here. He's chilling. I'm just chilling. Kragie.
I'm coming for you, dude, with my PP out.
I'm for me, dude. What the fuck?
With my
Incoming.
my back is itchy, dude. Let's go. On we go, chat. On we go. Move forward, dude. Hold W. Hold W.
Alright, what? We have a fat shield, big hog, and then we have hot hole. Right, get a hook, alright, bro.
Stay good.
Why is he not dead? Yeah, I'm gonna fucking die. Oh, I'm coming back as Lucio, yeah? Or Moira? Which one?
Oh, babe!
I'll come back as Moira.
Dude, I have like 5 people on me. Maybe should have stalled the point. I didn't know we were all dead.
Oh my god.
Zen pussy though.
One. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Are you okay? Oh, you just made me fucking yawn, dude.
Come on, Hanzo, then.
Dude, man, he's back from vacay.
Jumping hard.
Take damage, man. Huge.
They don't want to. They want to.
Monkey love.
I can't see you, boy.
Yeah, run.
Everyone's so low.
Save you.
Kragie.
He's off. Monkey low.
As are we, dude.
I'll grab soon.
I have to do it.
I'm touching.
Oh, dude. You frags.
Let's go, dude.
Hey.
Easy clap, dude.
Big brain grab.
What I believe.
Fiji water's alright. I think Volvic, man. It's too good.
Alright, this is to come. This is to come. Okay, this is to come.
Alright, let's win this, boys. We have the water. We have water, boys. Oh, I've got a Devo Orisa. Interesting.
And loader.
We have that fat CC. It's fine. We can get on to point. They don't.
Help me.
Oh shit!
Orisa literally wanted to.
Hanzo, come to the edge if you need kills, yeah? Oh,
Dude, I
shit,
keep
shit,
taking
mate.
these hooks for you, my dog.
Yo, we're winning. We're winning.
We're winning.
Zen
Yeah.
solo hills. Zen solo hills. Just call you this one, mate. Whenever they appear.
Road.
Mercy, what is me?
Kill her then. I'm coming, guys. Someone show me yourself, roommate.
Go. Oh my god, I'm
No, I still can't see anyone. What the fuck, then? Reinhardt, get here and fucking swing your hammer.
yeah, I'm
Alright, you guys need to win this. I'm damage boosting. Reinhardt, we need you for CC.
Yeah, I'm
Actually kill them. Actually kill them, my bro. What the fuck?
Nice, Ryan.
You just shot us all.
Pog.